everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Archie's Corner. So today's video is a haul video on the products which I purchased from IKEA. IKEA is my most favorite store, and the reason being affordable, aesthetic and Scandinavian. If you go to IKEA, you'll observe one thing for sure, that it has plenty of options for everyone. If you want a budget shopping without spending too much, that option is available. And you can also see luxury products which are expensive. But whatever products you choose, the quality is not compromised and you get top-notch quality products. Okay, now without wasting any more time, let's get started. In today's video, I have included only the items which we bought from the Bangalore store. And I had already uploaded another haul video when I purchased through online. So the link can be found in the iCat somewhere here or there. So do check that out if you're interested to watch. So the very first item is this beautiful artificial plant. This looks so gorgeous, and when you visit the Bangalore store, you can see the same plant being displayed on their restaurant. They had kept a lot of them, but our budget allowed us to buy only one. So here it is. This one is a succulent plant. Again, it's artificial, but it looks so real, right? We can use it to style our workspace and it will look very cute on the table. I also bought this lovely artificial hanging plant. I already have the same one with me and bought one more since I really like the quality of IKEA artificial plants. Next is a very cute pot, and I'll be using it to keep the same artificial plants to add an extra dose of beauty. I also picked up a couple of scented candles along with the lantern, and this will indeed help in keeping our home have a lovely fragrance. You will get to see a variety of candles in IKEA. A candle dish, and it looks very aesthetic, so I picked it up the moment I saw it. This one also I'll be using as a decor piece or as an organizer. Next, I bought these photo frames for Rs 149 per piece. There were other color options available, but nowadays I don't know why, but I like everything white, so I picked it up. I also bought knife, seal clips, hot pot stand and cutlery set for the kitchen. I bought this mixing bowl, and this size is so apt when we want to prepare the dough for rotis or to whip cream for the cake. This one is a bamboo serving bowl, so I picked it up just for the love for bamboo. We can use this to serve salads or any dry item when we have guests, and it can definitely add up as a decor piece in the kitchen as well. Next, I bought this tablet stand. There were other options, but those were plastic, and I picked it up just because it's bamboo. As I mentioned earlier, white color and bamboo products, I just love them. So this one we can even hang it on a rail while cooking if you want to watch and refer recipe videos. Next is the splatter screen, and this one is a very useful kitchen item. We can use this while boiling or frying. We just need to put the splatter screen on the pots and pans, and it will help in not splashing everywhere in kitchen. So this is going to be a very useful product. This one is a beautiful tray, and the brass color is giving that luxury look, right? This one can be used for parties or can be used as a decor piece as well. And I might use it during the festival seasons. So yeah, I hope it is going to be useful. This one is a very big tray, and this will be useful when we have so many guests at home. Next one is this fitted bedsheet in a lovely soft pink color. There are small designs on this, but I'm not sure whether it is visible on the camera. At IKEA, the pillow covers won't come along with bedsheets, so we bought 2 pillow covers also separately. I also bought couple of bath mats and few cleaning accessories which will help me in keeping our home clean. Next, we bought a chair for the ground floor room to keep near my YouTube editing desk. The instructions were pretty simple and we can DIY it ourselves without any issues. Advik was so interested to do the assembly part and was helping my husband throughout. And the last item is a trolley. It can be used inside kitchen or as a multi-purpose storage option. I'll be using this inside my craft room to keep all my craft related items. Here is my little helper, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and I hope you have a good time shopping at IKEA. Take care and bye-bye.